I love that question, actually. So I'll try my best to answer it. Okay, I was having a conversation with somebody recently about how fear changes depending on your culture, and what was interesting about it is that that's why the horror changes. There's an Asian flavor for horror. There's an American flavor for horror, and during our conversation, the studies show that fear for Filipinos is rooted in sin, right? So there is this certain amount of fearfulness of divine retribution, and your fear that you are yourself becoming sinful, which I think is pretty much a theme in the film as well. So so there is so the concepts of spiritual darkness and the concepts of physical darkness are I think now that you bring it up are sige, let's pretend that we thought of that and then we'll take credit for it. Thank you very much. But yeah, so
Okay.
That deserves a slow clap, right? Good job.
Nasagot naman, Mami Jo. Yung kaguluhan sa isip, kadiliman sa isip mo. Okay, you're done? Okay, the next question will come. Dito muna, I'd like to, bago si Jude ha, si Ruel Villacorta has a question with his new Samsung phone.
Mawawala rin.
Kay Papa P,
Papa mo.
nabanggit kasi kanina nung dalawang direktor na naghati-hati sa mga eksena. Napaka-controversial yung shower scene ba yun? Nakita ang puwet mo. Ako hindi ko napanood pa kasi.
Ako rin, hindi ko pa rin napanood. Sabay ko.
Oo. Exciting ba talaga?
Sex.
Not because of the scene. Not because of that, but I don't know what... Si Jeboy kasi, you know, while I was doing it, sabi niya, bro, pwede ba ibaba pa? Okay, bro, medyo mababa na. Hindi naman makikita, baba mo pa na konti. Bro, mababa na. So hindi ko na nakita ko lang siya sa pelikula.
Pina-prove mo ha, pinakita mo sa'yo ha.
Pero hindi ko na maalam
Ako, bilang babae.
Yes, yan. Sige, ano reaction mo nung nakita mo? O habang ginagawa niyo
Natuwa naman ako. Oo. Natuwa naman ako. Napakaganda ng visuals. Very, diba? Kailangan sa storya yun eh.
Actually, sa first time mo siya mapanood, shocking, pero nung napanood ko ng pangalawang beses, parang wala naman. Okay na rin naman.
kasi po yung puwet ni Piolo po, symbolic yun sa pinagdadaanan ng Pilipinas ngayon. So symbolic siya ng ekonomiya. So parang sa sa gobyerno, kalahati lang nakikita natin sa mga totoong nangyayari. Pero yun.
At bawat may reaction. Tungkol sa puwet na symbolic.
There are ups and downs.
Curves and ganyan.
I don't know what to say.
Yun na yun.
What was that? Ano symbol?
Ano, kasi Papa.
Kasi may divide eh. May ano mo.
Wala ko alam, sorry. Hindi ko lang para sa
Tama na, next question. Kawawa naman, grabe.
Anyway, Papa P, kasi di ba halos dalawa yata ang pelikula mo? Hindi, itong Silong at yung isa with John Lloyd Cruz. Ano ba to? Medyo nagsawa ka na sa pagka-commercial actor mo.
Honestly, until now, I'm still basking in that glory, you know, after breakup. And then I did Hele. The day after breakup playlist was shown in theaters. And then Silong finally comes out in Cinemalaya. So it just all fell into place. And you know, I feel so blessed about it. Pero wala naman pong inisip na gawin ko na sabay-sabay yung magkakasunod. Parang it just all fell into place and it just happened one by one, you know, one after the other. So nakakatuwa lang tingnan, you know, and you get to do different roles. So pelikula pa.
Anong next one mo? Anong next aim mo sa career mo? Kasi nandiyan ka niya eh. Box office, maganda yung mga indie films mo, pinag-uusapan.
Hindi ko alam. Joyce and I have been, Direct Joyce Bernal and I have been doing a lot of meetings with different producers, different writers. and also with my other partner from Spring Film, si Erickson Raimundo, and also with Jello actually. There are so many concepts